grab my rock climbing gear, because I think on Monday, Mark's coming in Monday night. So Tuesday we're gonna hang out, and I think we'll go rock climbing because all the museums are closed on Tuesdays. So I think we might do something like that. There's really not a lot to do by the airport in Houston, like, you know, during the daytime. You know, when it's 1,000 degrees outside, you can go to like Main Street, Dave and Buster's, you know, like those arcade places, but then that's just a money pit. Or we can pay like 20 bucks and go rock climbing. So might do that for an hour. There's a really, really good Mediterranean restaurant up there that I'm really, really dying to go back to, called Zara. It's up on Rayford. It's actually across the street from my old house that flooded. So yeah, I used to live up there before I lost my home in a flood. And then yeah, we're just gonna hang out, and then he's a pilot, so he's on a layover for the whole day. So yeah, we'll go hang out, and then he'll fly off somewhere else. So. Alright, we're at the rock climbing gym. There's Mark. Ready for this? We'll do these two.
I got funny looking shoes on.
I know they gave you the different, like different than my shoes. You good? You feel safe?
Yeah, I feel safe, but it hurts.
Yeah, you got different shoes. Keep going and then tap the belay. Like ringing the bell. Yeah, tap it. Ding ding.
That's what?
Just tap it, like for good luck. Okay, yeah, then hold on to the belay, and then rappel down close to the wall and bounce off the wall. Hold on to the, yeah, hold on. Just drop. It's okay, you're not gonna fall. Just drop. That's it, bounce. 1, 2. So the goal is to stay on the same color, if you can. That's the challenge. How did you start on this one?
I don't know. Don't show me up.
Yeah, that one you're gonna go. We're so high up right now. Try to go to the left, I think. Or drop.
Oh my god. Dude, how do you do this?
I have no idea. Yay, we did it.
You ready?
You made it, yeah, go ahead. All right, Mark's up there. We're getting shown up by the homeschool kids. They're just like going up and down. For every 1 lap we do, they're doing like 10 laps. It's kind of funny. And I got carjacked by one of the kids, was like, I'm gonna do this one. She like ran in front of me. And this kid was doing pull-ups on the wall for like, whatever. There he is. You can do it. He's all like, I'm scared. I'm like, you fly airplanes, dude. You're 30,000 feet up in the air. Perfect.
Forgive for the extra, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. Happy Monday. I think it's Monday. I don't know. I don't work a 9 to 5, so all of my days tend to meld together. I am going to a go-kart racing place right now. My daughter has a 5th grade field trip, so I'm chaperoning, and it's the same like 4 parents that always chaperones. We all know each other, but we don't know each other's names. We only know each other's kids. And so it's kind of like, oh, it's Harriet's mommy. I'm like, you know what? Today I'm freaking NASCAR or Formula 1 racer. I'm gonna win. I don't care. I don't care if they're 5th graders. I'm so competitive. So one time we were at the trampoline park, which is just down here on this road that I'm on, and they used to do like Urban Air, which is the name of the trampoline park. They'll do Urban Air like once a month or something. And one time I was in the dodgeball trampoline area, and I was like totally winning. I was totally getting all the kids. I was like, you are all going down right now. And then they just suddenly conspired against me, and I'm cowering in the corner where I'm getting hit by like 50 dodgeballs. And I'm like, help! And they're like, it's so funny. And of course all the other, most of the parents are just on their phones. And then the same like 4 or 5 of us parents are the ones that are running around with our kids. So it was really funny. Chuck E. Cheese, I will win as many tickets as you can imagine. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go down there. It's an outdoor go-kart track, which I think is pretty bold for Houston because right now it's becoming the surface of the sun. But I've never been there. I haven't been go-karting in ages. They have an indoor like Mario Andretti race car place down near where I live in town, but this one is a little bit north. And yeah, it should be fun. I don't know if my daughter's actually gonna like decide to drive. She goes, I learned everything I know about driving from Mario Kart. I'm like, that is not reassuring whatsoever. So mind you, when I was in California in the 90s as a kid, we learned how to drive by sitting behind these washing machine contraptions and driving along to this movie screen, and it was always set in like New Jersey on a turnpike. I'm like, we don't have any of this weather in Southern California. We don't have 12 feet of snow that I'm supposed to be skidding off the road on. And the instructor was Larry Thompson. He was the American Gladiators referee, so he'd be like, drivers ready. Because I went to this like school that had like an acting and dancing and music school and stuff, so we had a lot of famous kids. We had like the middle child from Full House, Jodie Sweetin. We had, I think it was a kid that was in like The Last Action Hero. We had Pensatucky from Orange is the New Black. We had Matt Morrison, who was, these were all in my year, like around either in my year, mostly my year, but my year or around that. We also had Matt Morrison, who was the teacher in Glee. We had Nikki, who's the bass guitarist in Silver Sun Pickups. We had Real Big Fish. We had, I think the kid that accused Michael Jackson also went there. And then we had the woman that was part of that, I don't know what's called, the NXIVM, like sex cult. Allison Mack, she was in Smallville, I think. And so she also went to my school, like all around like kind of the same 4 or 5 years, like 4 or 5 year period. I was there for 4 years, obviously. But yeah, so I graduated in 96. So we kind of had all these people that either were famous or became famous. We had Belle on Broadway, Susan Egan. And then we had a bunch of athletes as well, like Kathy Rigsby, I think, went to my high school in the 70s. And then we had Lynn Cox, she's an ocean water swimmer. And so yeah, we just had a couple of different people, a couple star quarterbacks as well. JT Snow, who played for the Angels. Yeah, so a lot of people. And I'm the British kid that moved here, and so everyone's like, oh, have fun in England. I'm like, I'm not an exchange student, dude. I live here. My parents are from New Jersey. I'm American, as American as you can get. Can I get a blue sky? No, I don't know. It's kind of overcast today. Anyway, so we're gonna go to this little go-kart racing place for a few hours. I got Harriet's lunch. I even bought flags because I'm the parent that's going to be out there going, like, start your engines, Anyway, it's fun. I love like being a kid. So anyway, when I lived in Japan, I taught elementary school a couple days a week, and I just dressed up like crazy and had these like giant Mr. Grinch slippers because you had to wear indoor shoes, and so it was really fun. It was like I'd always dress them up for Halloween or like wrap them in toilet paper like a mummy because we had limited resources in my village in Japan, so we didn't really have a lot of ability to make costumes, so I just kind of would make up stuff. Go, oh yeah, this is America. Wrap you in toilet paper, call you a mummy. Anyway, okay, so yeah, I've got about 10-minute drive. It's getting hot. It's already 85 degrees. I don't think anyone wants to be outside. I didn't realize it was outside. I thought it was indoors. So this may change the whole trajectory of whether I win or not, because I may not just even participate. I'm like, I was all ready to be like going out there and racing against these people, and I don't think I will. I think I'll just be like parked up inside somewhere in the arcade. But I don't know, whatever Harriet wants to do. You know, the 5th graders compared to 4th graders. 4th graders are like, yay, we love school. Yay, our mommy and daddies are cool. And then 5th graders, they're just like, they don't want to hear it. They've all, you know, they're hitting puberty, and they just want to just like be left alone on their phone. And they're just, you know, you're not cool anymore. I'm cool though. I'm a cool parent. I'm not your regular mom. I'm a cool mom. So anyway, and busy day, and then yeah, just got a long day today, and then tomorrow my friend Mark's in town, so we're gonna hang out and go rock climbing or something, or go get some lunch and, you know, talk about travel, and yeah, then that's it. And then Wednesday is 5th grade promotion, and then what else? Thursday, nothing. Friday is school sports day, so I'll be volunteering on that too. So yeah, busy week of being a mommy. I'm a mommy every day, but you know, busy week of participating in school, so it's fun. Okay, cool. All right, well, I'll let you know how we get on at this race car track. So I want to do like 1 or 2 laps, I don't know, but I'm chaperoning. There's 6 chaperones, 3 for each class. So, you know, I think we're all just going to be competing. I think the chaperone's going to compete against each other. We have to have one race together. I'm trying to convince them that like we all need to race. So let's see. I mean, I'm literally going to be like, yay. Okay. All right, let me drive and I'll see you guys later. All right, I'm at the go-kart raceway. I think they're driving faster on this road. So at night, the 8 Beltway and the 610 that loop around Houston end up becoming NASCAR tracks. So, okay, so these are 2-seater go-karts. This is like so divey, like from the 80s. I love it. So, okay, cool. All right, let me go. Yeah, I think we have the whole place to ourselves today because I think it opens at noon. This is fun. How fun. I'm never going to win anything. Oh, what do they have? 25 tickets for candy. That's a lot. All right, they got laser tag, they've got the raceway, they've got the arcades. I don't think we'll be playing arcades today. I think we're just doing the go-kart racing. And I'm gonna use the restroom, which I think is right here. All right, I guess they are doing arcades. What the hell? I guess they are doing arcades, so they just turned everything on. Okay, I'm gonna go up and put my lunch, well, Harriet's lunch up here in our Hello Kitty lunch bag, my race flag. So they're about 5 minutes away. And we'll go up here, and yeah, I guess we're gonna eat lunch here too. This is great. What a fun idea. All right, they're here. I've got my flag, so, okay. Yay, let's go race cars. Valley, driving a double-decker bus. That's funny. Like, who does that? What are you doing? We're doing laser tag. Laser tag.
Take your hand off the center, this green light right here by the handle will turn off and you will not be shooting, you'll just be a walking target. Hey guys, I'll give you 10 seconds to spin up and hide. After those 10 seconds, you would hear the music. The music just means that the game has started.
All right, we're running around. It's free for all. Okay, the music's gonna start. There's our happy place. There's Pepsi. This is awesome. Ah, that's my kid. No, we're on the same team, honey. All right, I gotta. Ah! I'm like getting hit left and right. Let's go in the candy store. Okay, I'm in the convenience store. Oh, where's both? I think we get hit by these too. These lasers. All right, I'm back in the candy store. All right, I'm in the bookstore. I'm gonna hide in here, and there's no one else in here. These kids don't read books. They just read apps on their phone and play video games. So I think I'm safe in here. I'm getting hit though. All right, I'm hiding in here. I don't know if my gun is working. Ah, I just got shot. What the hell? I don't think my gun's working. I'm just like having a rave in here. Harriet, hide in the bookstore. Hide in the bookstore.
Oh, books. Sorry.
I know, books. We're the only people reading.
Number 9. Android.
Me. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, I'm tired.
You're tired? Me too. It's very hot outside. That was super fun. Yay. Did we win the go-kart race?
I don't think we did at all.
I think we came in dead last. I think it actually stopped at one point on there. So,
Yeah.
all right, cool.